Hello everyone, I am Professor Anish Vora and I welcome you all in this video lecture. We are running a series of video lecture on home appliances. In this video lecture, we will study about microwave oven. First we understand what exactly we mean by microwave. Microwaves are electromagnetic waves, and microwave are having frequency range starting from 1 gigahertz to 10 raised to 6 gigahertz. And the application of microwaves, we use microwave in different application of industries, in communication, in television transmission, in radar system. We use a microwave in multiple applications. Now, microwave oven. We use microwave oven to cook the food. So, application of microwave oven is for cooking of food. And the frequency range we use in our microwave oven, that is 2.44 to 2.46 gigahertz. We have voltage between anode and cathode, and that is 3.5 kilovolt. And peak output, that is 1300 watt. Now let us study principle behind microwave oven. We use the principle of dielectric heating in microwave oven. Microwave oscillator, and that is known as a magnetron, is used to generate microwaves of required frequency. When microwaves pass through the food, heat is generated. We can understand microwave oven with the help of block diagram. We have supply, that is 230 volt 50 hertz single phase power source, that is converted into DC supply, high voltage DC supply with the help of a rectifier, and this high voltage DC that is given to the magnetron. Magnetron we use to generate required microwaves. This microwaves through the waveguide, it is passed to the oven cavity, and here in the oven cavity we keep our food articles which is to be heated. We have a control panel for setting all the required parameters, and we use a microprocessor control for the different types of parameter setting and to generate required frequency for required period of time. Now let us see the construction. In the diagram, we can see one typical microwave oven, and we have different major parts to be studied. We have door sill. On the door, at the inner side, we have one sill is provided. When we close the door, microwave energy is not passing through the door. We have a reflector at the inner side. On the top side, we have a reflector. Reflector we use to reflect the microwave signal on the food particles. Then on the top side again, we have heating element. In some of the microwaves, we have a function of grill also. So for grill function, we require heating element. Oven cavity, the entire interior that is known as an oven cavity, and here in the oven cavity, we keep our food. Control panel, here we have control panel. We have different switch pads all the pads are feather touch type, and we can set our required time and different required parameters through the control panel. Door release button. Here we have door release button. With the help of this button, we can release the door. Coupler. At the bottom side, we have a coupler. Here we keep our food articles, and at the coupler, through the magnetron, microwaves are generated. Viewing system. The screen provided on the door that passes the light, so we can see the process of cooking, but microwaves cannot pass through this screen. Door hook. Here we have provided door hook, and they are working as an interlock. So if during a process of cooking, if we open the door, then magnetron shuts down automatically. Now let us see the control panel and various function of different switch pads. As we discussed that we have number of switch pads. All the switch pads are feather touch type. We have to just give the feather touch, and then when we press the switch, any of the switch, then there will be a beep sound. So one can understand that the switch is properly pressed. We have time set pad. Here at the 1 number, we have time set pad. So in minutes, in seconds, in hours, we can set our cooking time as well as we can set our clock. Then second, that is display. So here we have a display which indicates our set cooking time, the level of power as well as real time clock. Then third number, that is the one touch. For different cooking variety like beverages, fresh vegetable, dish warmer, pasta, we have set cooking system. So with the help of one touch, automatically these items can be cooked. Then we have more, that is a plus sign, and less, that is a minus sign, that is 4 number and 5 number. So here 4 number and 5 number. 4 number indicates more and 5 number indicates less. So with help of these two buttons, we can increase or decrease required cooking time. Then 6 number, that is auto defrost. For the fish, poultry, meat, for various items, we can set auto defrosting with a single switch pad. Then at 7 number, we have combi. The function of combi is that sometimes we require a microwave oven as well as grill together. 8 number is a grill. So instead of microwave cooking application, if we require a grill, then we have power. So with the help of 9 number power, we can set our required level of power. We have total 10 levels of power. Then 10 number, that is defrost. 11 number, that is a kitchen timer. We can delay the cooking process or we can hold after the cooking process, and this timer is in minutes. At 12 number, we have clock. With the help of clock, we can set our real-time clock. Stop and clear. We have 13 number, that is stop and clear. We can stop the process or we can clear the cooking set timer. And the last, that is a speedy cook. So here we can start as well as speedy cook. So with the start push button, we can start the cooking process, and with the speedy cook, we can reheat the cooking process. Now let us see the specification of the microwave oven. Power supply 230 volt, AC 50 Hz, single phase. Power consumption 1350 watt for microwave and 1100 watt for grill operation. If we run in a combination of microwave as well as grill, then total power consumption that is 2450 watt. Microwave energy output, that is 900 watt. Outside dimension, that is 495 multiplied by 294 multiplied by 388 millimeter. And cavity dimension, that is 320 multiplied by 244 multiplied by 338 millimeter. Net weight, that is 15.8 kilogram approximately. Timer, we have 50 minute and 90 second timers. Power selection, we have total 10 levels of power selection. Cavity volume, that is 20 liters. Now let us discuss general fault and its remedies. One of the main fault that oven does not work. We have multiple possibility if oven is not working. First we have to check the power supply. Then we have to check power cord if it is properly plugged or not. We have to check the door if door is properly closed or not. We have to check that whether cooking time can be set or not. Sometimes there is a spark in cavity. We have to check the utensils. Metal utensils must not be used. We have to check that foil or metal part does not touch the inner wall. So this is all about microwave oven. Thank you for watching my video. Keep watching. Thank you very much.